Okay, rolling. All right, so we have, what year is this truck, John?
2004 Ford Powerstroke diesel, 6-liter turbocharged direct injection motor.
Nice, and it appears as though the motor is missing here, so that's a little bit of an issue. So I'm guessing what we're doing today is we're putting a motor in it. Is that right, John?
You know damn well.
Yeah. All right. Let's talk about this motor a little bit. Tell us about this motor.
We have a 2004 Powerstroke motor. It's got ARP head studs, fresh gaskets, a Maryland Diesel Performance EGR delete, brand new oil cooler, and we don't have them at the moment, but Monday we'll be putting 8 brand new Ford OEM injectors in. Over here we got the old motor.
Yeah, now what happened with this old motor here?
You're going to have to come over here. I'm not moving the motor.
Okay.
Cylinder 6, some kind of foreign object seems to have got its way in there.
Uh-oh.
And cylinder 8 took a little bit of a beating too.
Oh.
You could punch this block 10 over and rebuild it, but I don't have time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Didn't even bother taking this head off because there's nothing wrong, but use block in head for sale, and you could probably salvage that block, maybe.
Looks like the motor stand is crying for having all this weight on it.
I would not recommend the Tractor Supply 1,250-pound stand. Just the fact that it shakes that much scares me. On the other hand, the Harbor Freight 2-ton engine crane, which I borrowed from my friend Corey, can't complain. It's been doing awesome.
Great. Looks good. It looks good. Pittsburgh Automotive, top name in tools. That's for sure.
Yep.
Top name in tools.
It's really warm in here, so let's get moving.
All right, here we go. Fucking piece of shit won't start again. Fuck.
Brum, bum, bum, bum.
Fucking so stupid.